Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by installing Python 3, 10 plus, and enabling a virtual environment so dependencies stay isolated. Once done, activate the venv and install the brocode package or clone its repository. You run the provided example script to confirm the runtime and imports work. Make sure to check pip output for errors and update pip if needed. This prevents common dependency conflicts and ensures the first actionable steps actually run without surprises. You now build the core flow, configure settings, initialize the framework, and register your handlers. Explain when and why each handler runs events fire on specific triggers, utilities shape data. Once handlers are registered, start the main loop and monitor logs. This lets you catch errors early. Make sure to test with minimal payloads and enable debug to trace behavior. If performance matters, profile hotspots and apply cached results. The how and why of these steps improves reliability. You finish by packaging and deploying. Build a wheel or containerize the app, then push to your target environment with environment variables securely configured. Once deployed, run smoke tests and verify integration points. If something breaks, enable verbose logs and reproduce the failure locally. Isolate the failing handler and run it with test inputs. Make sure to roll back to the last working commit if needed. One key troubleshooting tip: if behavior differs in production,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.